Freelancer in Nigeria, as you can see, NG for location, Nigeria, said this as at June 16, said this. Payout is one of the best earning platforms so far in Nigeria, with a good earning opportunities for everyone and a good response from their admin. I am opportune to earn from Payrout. Now, this person is saying that he or she is opportune to earn from Payrout. If we take a look at Rex Okoro, location Nigeria, said, I like the application. It's user friendly and their minimum cash out is 150 naira to your bank account. Impressive, I would say. You don't need to pay for joining. It's totally free. What did I say? It is totally free. I didn't say this. Someone dropped it on a review on Trustpilot, said it is totally free. So I just found this particular website that can actually pay you money if you're in Nigeria. Now, this particular website is a simple tax website where you get paid for doing simple tax. And you know the amazing thing? The amazing thing is this particular website will pay you into your local bank account with a minimum of about 150 naira as your minimum withdrawal. Like, that's the minimum you can withdraw. Now, this website has a lot of job offers that they have to offer you. They pay you through bank transfers, through cryptocurrency. Before we go further on this particular website, I want us to check out the reviews that we have on this website. Now we are on Trustpilot, and you know that anything I get from Trustpilot is actually legit. If you are watching this video to this level, this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you are seeing our video for the very first time, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. With that being said, guys, they have over 388 reviews for this particular website. So let's see what people are actually saying about it. Very interesting and exciting to earn in my local currency and cash it into my local bank account with ease. Of course, who wouldn't want to cash into their local bank account? If you want, please do well to like this video and let's keep watching. Now, they have many avenues to earn money daily as long as you're willing to work. So please note that you must be willing to work for you to make money on this particular website. Now, we are not saying you should take an hammer and a nail and start eating it. We're only saying that you should use your mobile phone to start cashing out. Even they have an opportunity, you can blog, earn good money with your blog. What? If you're also a writer, I also know that we have a lot of writers on this particular street. On Self Hustle, I know that we have a lot of writers. So if you're a writer, do well to jump on this blog money making, section of this website where you can write a blog post and actually get paid. Please make it interesting as well so that you get more views and you get more money. Payrout is an online website that is very great site. They even reward members for daily login. So even if you don't get to do anything on this website, that you just log in every day, you get paid. Now, this is actually a review from someone. Even without visiting the website, we can actually tell that this particular website is legit, and this is what they do. It's the number one platform so far that pays for simple tax. Withdrawal is instant. Did you hear that? Withdrawal is instant. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you are getting value for what you're listening to, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And if you have someone that is looking for how to make money online just by doing simple tax, please do well to share this video with them. In fact, share this video with all your contacts, because you never can tell who you are helping. So it says withdrawal is instant. I recommend this to everyone who wants to make money without deposit. So this is a means of making money without depositing any money. Do you understand this? This is a means of making money without deposit. So guys, I think this should be enough to actually convince you that this is one of the best websites you can actually get to do simple tax online. There are other reviews. I like the application. There are other reviews that if we keep on going on and on and on like that, you would actually do what? you will get tired of the good reviews. Now these reviews are not old reviews, they are recent review, so that you will not feel that maybe it's because it is an old review. Take a look, date of experience is June 16. This is a recent review. Now if you take a look at all other reviews that we have on Trustpilot, they're actually recent reviews and they're actually positive reviews. So with that being said, guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go and see what is left that they have on their website, the goodies they have on their website, so that we can as well sign up. So now this is what we have once we are back on their website. What we have is what we offer. Hi there, welcome to PayRoute, a robust and user-friendly platform that simplifies online earning, making it both easier and more delightful. Back on a journey to skyrocket your earnings to new heights. That is their point number one, and people have dropped reviews about this, so no cap. The next thing is, with PayRoute you can enhance your social media presence by promoting your website, YouTube videos, blogs and social media handles. Benefit from genuine human trafficking. This is for their advertisers, it is not for us. So but then again, every user on PayRoute undergoes verification to eliminate bot and spam, ensuring a secure and authentic experience. This is why PayRoute is considered the best worldwide. Now, the application process, you have to apply for you to get, accepted, and you have to undergo the verification process, which is actually a 10/10 for me. Any website that they tell you that they want to pay you for something and you are not undergoing any verification process, it is a no for me. So this website is a 10/10 for me. Now the next one is PayRoute offers dedicated and fast customer support for both earners and advertisers. Our team is always ready to assist you with any queries or issues that you may have. Now this one is also a 10/10 for me. They have a team on standby to answer any of your questions. You understand? Whether you are having issues or you are finding it hard to do this or that, just come on their website and do what? And visit their support section, and they are always there to answer you. So now they say they are earning features on PayRoute. Now the reason why I love this particular website is the fact that they have everything detailed out. They are not gatekeeping, they are not hiding anything, so it is a win-win. They have rapid payout, endless opportunities, user-friendly policies, so their policies are not that difficult to adhere to, and they have endless opportunities. So what is actually left now is to scroll back up. So once we scroll back up, we're going to see the account button here. Then we click on this create account button, and all we have to do is to input our full name, input our username, input our email address, our phone number. It's optional. If you don't want, no problem. The next thing is to input your password, confirm your password, and you click on by sign up. You agree not to use cheat or fake referrals, so you click on it and then you click on sign up. That is all you have to do to sign up on this particular website. Name of this particular website, like I have said, is called PayRoute, payroute.online.com, or you can see the website name up here, payroute.online. Take a good look at it, payroute.online. Just type in the website and sign up and let them verify your account, and then you start making money online. With that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video or share this video, please do well to like this video and share this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.